Hey, y'all, this your girl Tony with Cookies and Ish. I'm here to bring you this video today. We're making a strawberry cheesecake dump cake. And yes, I said a dump cake, y'all. So like I said, welcome to the video. We have our cake mix here. You can use whatever kind of cake mix you want to use. If you don't want to make strawberry, you can make any other kind of flavor as well. But today I'm using strawberries to make this with. But this is my super moist vanilla cake mix. Then we have a half cup of butter. And it's still cold. And then I have 2 cans of strawberry pie filling. So the other one I have opened already because this one just has like a pull tab. But excuse me, the other I have open. So like I said, you'll need 2 of these. And then I cut my sound down. I didn't cut the sound down. Hopefully that's better. And then I have my my cheesecake. I have 1 8-ounce brick of cream cheese, 1 egg, and then there's a 1/4 cup of sugar in here to make like a cheesecake type filling. I guess I put it that way. So like I said, that's what I whipped up in here because I didn't want it to just be plain cheesecake. I mean, plain cream cheese, because I've seen some recipes and I've seen folks making this. I'm like, nah, I don't want plain cream cheese. I want some actual cheesecake cream cheese. So I mixed that on together because I've made cheesecakes in the past. And then we have our little pan to put the stuff in, y'all. So let's go ahead and get our butt started. Let's go ahead and start making this dump cake, y'all. There is the pan, y'all. There is the pan. Alrighty, so first we're just, as it says, dump cake. I've already sprayed this pan, so we're just dumping everything on in here. As soon as I get it up out of there, dumping everything on in. I have a round. This is my cake pan. This is, I think it's a 10-inch. 10-inch or where's my? I'll have to look once I'm done, y'all. But I believe it's a 10-inch. 10 or 12. I can't remember which one, y'all. But I didn't have my square casserole pan to use, so I had to use this because I already have a meal in there already. So, and this was the next best thing, y'all. So you can use this, or you can go buy one of those. What are they called? Aluminum foil square pans if you want. A 9x13. Go ahead and get you one of those. Or whatever size your little heart desires. At least a 9x13. I think it's 9x13. It's like the casserole size. So get yourself one of those. Or if not, use like I'm using. If you have a cake pan that you can bake in. And mine is actually a 10-inch. I'm looking on the side. So it's a 10-inch. It doesn't matter what kind. But like I said, definitely it's a 10-inch. Oh, I'm using the wrong utensil. It's my fork. Wow, look at all the luscious strawberry, y'all. I'm making this for my partner, actually. So, I know he wanted something like this. I'm like, I can make you one. So, of course, I'm making one today for him. So he can enjoy this, y'all. And as you go through, of course, make sure that you're spreading out the mixture to fill up the whole pan, y'all. I'm trying to get the rest of this gel stuff out of here. I guess it's just the pie filling, y'all. Trying to get that up out of there. So then the next thing, of course, I'll throw those away a little bit later. But the next thing, of course, is the cream cheese batter. So what we're going to do is just take this batter and dump it. Not dump it all like that, but put it on top and spread it out as much as we can. As much as we can, y'all. And if we can't spread it out very well, then that's fine too. Get as much as you can, though, on there. Okay, y'all? I'm going to have to turn this a different way. Let me see. Maybe I can turn it this way. I'm trying to make sure that y'all can see this too and see this stuff getting up out of there. Okay. I'm not going to be able to pour it, it seems, but I'm trying to put it in different places so it can kind of be spread out some. But like I said, this is definitely how you're going to make this, y'all. All I'm doing is just taking out the cream cheese mixture, putting it on into the pan, y'all. Whoops. And like I said, I will do some spreading out shortly, actually. Or a little bit more spreading out shortly, because this has just been dumped over in there. But that's what it's called, y'all, a dump cake. So it's nothing you really have to do to it. Like I said, I just didn't want that plain cream cheese in there, so I made it my business to actually make how I would make a cheesecake filling. So it can have a little bit of sweeter taste to it. Uh-oh. And so I'm going to spread this on out, y'all. And it's okay if some of the gel mixture from the strawberries get up in there. It's okay. It's all going to cook together, y'all. That's the point of a dump. It's just going to dump on in there and everything will be fine anyway. Okay. Trying to get the rest of this stuff off here, y'all. All right, there we go. I can't get the rest of it off there, but that's okay. So, the next thing, since I just used my fork a little while ago, I'm going to go ahead and use another fork for this butter, y'all. I mean, oops, wrong thing. Wrong thing, y'all. Hold on. First, we got to put the cake on there. The powder cake mix. You're not going to mix this cake mix. All you're going to do is spread it out on the top. And make sure that you have, that it's spread out as much as you can to the edges, y'all. I'm trying to get this open. There we go. Shoot. Okay. Maybe it's me, y'all. I'm having a hard time with this. There we go. Goodness gracious. Alrighty. Alrighty, y'all. So let's start the pouring. And like I said, this is how this is done, y'all. Traditional dump cake. And you can make this in any flavor. Like I said, it does not have to be strawberry. That's my partner loves strawberry stuff, so I'm making that today for him. So, and I'll make some others, don't worry. But you're going to pour this whole entire thing over this cake, y'all. And like I said, I spread it out a little bit more evenly too. Then I got to take the butter and put it on there in little pats as well. But let me get this a little bit more even, y'all. Trying to even it out, y'all. Okay. There we go. Trying to get some more of this over in a corner. Corner. All right, now. And you heard me say corner, not corner. So let me go ahead and start cutting up some of this butter, y'all. So I can put this on top of here. And like I said, with the butter, you're just putting the butter on here, y'all. And pats. Oh, shoot. I done messed that one up. That's all right. That's okay. It should be all right. I know I'm trying to put it on her and putting it on her however I see fit, y'all. So, I think I kind of messed that one up a little bit, but that's all right. That's all right. That is all right, y'all. That is all right. And like I said, you just spread the pats of butter out on here. And of course, you got to put this in the oven for about 40 minutes. And I will, of course, come back. Once I get done with this, come back and show y'all how this bad boy looks. But like I said, I'm still putting butter on her. So if you make this at home, y'all, let me know. I definitely do want to know. Make sure that y'all are subscribing to my channel as well. Right now. Make sure you click on that notification bell so that you can get all my uploads, y'all. So. Y'all, this is done. This bad boy is done. So, got some butter in my fingernail. Okay. Like I said, I'm putting this bad boy, this is how it looks, into the oven for about 40 minutes. And like I said, I'll show y'all what's going on with it once it comes out. Peace out, y'all. Okay, y'all. The strawberry cheesecake dump cake is out the oven. Check it out, y'all here. And my partner's daughter, Lily, is going to be trying some because I can't eat none right now. So I'm going to go ahead and take some of this out of here so y'all can check it out. It looks tasty, too. It smells so doggone good up in here. It smells so good.
I'm eating everything.
I don't know how much you wanted on this plate.
I want some more bread.
Some more. I didn't give you all the strawberries, Lord.
No, I said
the bread. I'll just give you that whole hunk.
Oh,
have mercy. I'm like, Lord, have mercy. What in the world?
Thanks for this.
That's their almond. Let me give you that.
Okay. Is it still hot, right?
Oh, it's burning up. Yeah, it's really hot. Okay. So like I said, I can't taste it, but she'll probably have to wait for a few in order to taste it, though, because I don't want you to burn your mouth.
Yeah.
But like I said, it's out the oven. We have a taster here. So it should, I know it smells good. It smells doggone good, actually. Mm-hmm. So I'm like, Lord have mercy. Please don't burn your mouth. Like, Lord.
It's burning hot.
Yeah, it is. It is. Please take your time. But like I said, y'all, if y'all make this recipe, please let me know down in the comments. And let me know how you or your family or friends or whoever you let taste it like it. So definitely let me know. And again, be sure to subscribe to my channel too. Make sure you click that notification bell for all the videos that I upload throughout the week. Is it still hot? It's hot. It's probably still hot. I was going to say, you don't want to burn your mouth. It's probably still hot. Blow it as much as you want up inside because I know I just took it out the oven. And this, I actually had to bake it in the oven because of the size of the pan for about 20 minutes, 15 to 20 minutes longer. So this actually baked for a total of 55 to 60 minutes. Just to let you all know. Let me hold on. 40 plus, so I guess what, 55, I'm sorry. 55 minutes. Just to let you all know. But if you use the regular 9 by 13 pan, of course, it shouldn't take about 40 minutes to bake. So, is it still hot? Okay, I've been saying it's still hot. How does it taste? Is it good or not good or need something else? I don't know.
Mm-hmm.
It's good? Okay. I want to let me know how it tastes.
I mean, it has the right amount of sweetness. It's not too sweet and it's not
okay.
It has like the right amount of flavor and stuff.
Okay, cool. I know it got the big old fat strawberry, so that's awesome. Okay.
You know what this tastes like? The strawberry cheesecake that I get from Cheesecake Factory.
Oh, it does? Oh, dang, I wish I can taste some. That's all right.
It tastes just like it, actually.
Oh, it does? Okay,
next
cool.
month.
Well, I'm fasting right now. I started fasting this morning, so I can't eat it right now. Yeah.
But yeah, it's good.
Cool. Well, thanks. All right, y'all. As y'all heard it from a 15-year-old, it is good. So, like I said, y'all make sure that y'all make this. When y'all do, please make sure that you put it in the comments and let me know. So, I definitely want to hear from y'all, hear how it tastes, who liked it, that kind of thing, too. So, peace out, y'all. Make sure, like I said, that y'all subscribe to the channel and click the notification bell to get all the videos that I upload throughout the week, because I upload just about every day. So, peace out, y'all. Have a good one.